how to create a landing page in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, log into your MailChimp account, and once you do so, you're going to click on create here at the left side. So once you click on create, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on landing page among this option. So just click on landing page. And once you do so, you're going to set up a name of your landing page. So specify what your landing page is about. So I'm going to write down Kiara Fashion Store. So this is basically a fashion store. So just click on begin. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to another interface that will look something like this. So you're going to select a template for your landing page. Now, for example, I'm going to select this promote products one. And now you can customize this landing page according to your own desire. At first, here at the top comes a logo. So you can just drag and drop from your computer. Just drag and drop the logo from your computer over here in the canvas. So you can just customize the logo according to your own choice. Here you can see that I've rounded the corners to make the logo appear like a circle. And after logo, we have a heading. So you can just remove this example and type down any sort of specific heading that you want to keep on your landing page. For example, I'm going to write something about my brand that sign up, like whoever signs up will get updates about the new clothing. So I'm just going to write something like sign yourself up for updates. That's it. It's just a kind of headline. And then we have paragraph. So you can write paragraph, like you can give a detail about what this landing page is about. So I'm going to write down something like write down your email below so that you can get updates about the best clothing. Okay, so the best clothes in town. That's it. So that is kind of mere explanation what this landing page is about. And you can also, change color and style it according to your own choice. And after that, we have a catalog type of thing. So if you do have an online store, you can add your products from there. But since we're not having an online store right now, so I'm just going to drop that block. And here you can see that you can upload pictures. So let me just remove this and add only a single image content. And here, once you drag the image, you can click on browse. And here you can see that I've already uploaded an image. So I'm just going to click on this and then click on insert. And then you can see that this is the picture that I've uploaded. Now, I want people to sign up for email. So here, there gotta be a form. So you gotta drag and drop, or I'm gonna drag and drop this sign up form. And now it contains email. So whenever someone types their email, they can subscribe. Now I also want some fields like first name, last name, phone number. And if you don't want people to be skipping, you can toggle the required option on. So in order to preview, you can just click on preview and see how your landing page might look like from a third person perspective. So that was basically how you can create a landing page on MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.